When I went to the market to pick some vegetables, I saw these beautiful pumpkins, one green, one red, and even a few with a yellow tint. Each one looked so fresh and full of color. I just could not resist picking the red one for a comforting soup today. With just few ingredients, pumpkin, a bit of onion, drumstick, pepper and salt, this turns into a warm, flavorful bowl of goodness. Pumpkin is rich in fiber and antioxidants, great for controlling sugar levels and perfect for diabetics too. A touch of cream at the end makes it smooth and delicious, healthy, simple, and full of color, just like the market that inspired it. Come, let's prepare this healthy soup. The pumpkins are cut into more or less equal sizes so they'll cook evenly. Now we will add the pumpkin pieces to a cooking pot. A few slices of onion, one piece of garlic, a small piece of drumstick, and a few curry leaves for that lovely aroma. We'll pour in a little water, then add a pinch of salt for that taste, and let everything cook together till soft and tender. This combination gives a mild sweetness from the pumpkin and that earthy flavor from the drumstick. Red pumpkin cooks quite fast, about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Drumstick takes a bit longer, around 12 to 15 minutes to turn soft and release all its flavor. As this is for a soup, we will cook everything for about 15 minutes, just enough for the pumpkin and drumstick to turn soft and tender. So this way it blends easily and gives a very smooth, creamy texture to the soup. It is all cooked well now. The pumpkin and the drumstick are nice and soft. We will turn off the gas and let it cool for a while before blending. Now let's blend the cooked pumpkin into a smooth paste. I have removed the soft pulp from the drumstick. Let's add that too and blend it all together. This gives the soup a lovely earthy flavor and adds extra nutrition. Now we will pour the blended mixture back into the cooking pot and give it a gentle heat. Now let's add a little water to adjust the consistency of the soup, just enough to make it smooth and flowy. Let's give it a good mix. There is no need to cook it again, just warm it up and it's ready to serve. Do you know pumpkin is one of the best vegetable for those managing diabetics? It has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't raise blood sugar levels quickly. It's rich in fiber, which helps you feel full and supports digestion. And that lovely orange color comes from a beta carotene, an antioxidant that keeps your eyes and skin healthy. So this simple soup not only tastes good but also nourishes our body. Few tips: you can also add a few carrots or a small tomato for a light tangy taste. We have already sprinkled some pepper powder for while serving. Instead of cream, you can even add a spoon of thick curd or coconut milk for a dairy-free version. Thank you for watching and have a good day.